headlights are pretty cloudy. But you can do a restoration on here. You sand it down, they look like brand new. And there's a lot of places that do that. I'm just going to point out any imperfections I see. The hood's pretty faded right here. You can see up top here. It drives great, just a lot of cosmetic issues. See? Thing right here. Tires are good. I don't see any chips or anything like that in the windshield, so that's a good thing. Get some more faded paint here along the edge. This here looks like someone probably tried to fix it themselves. So there's obviously some damage here on the door on the bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see the wavy pattern there. Same thing down here. And just more of the same fading of the paint on the edge here. Top looks pretty good. Just some scratches here. Most of it is just, it's all cosmetic. It's not mechanical, thank God for that. Again, more fading on the edge. Back looks pretty good. A little scratch here. Go on to the side here. There. The rest of it's just normal, wear and tear, normal scratches. Every now and then you get a scratch. A little bit of a ding right here. Just little scratches. A couple more scratches here and here. You can see the worst part of the car is the hood. That's definitely faded and would need to be repainted. That's not something you can do with touch-up paint. To the inside. You got a little staining on the seats here, and let's see, over here on the passenger side. No cracks or anything wrong with the dashboard. It's all good. Headliner's good. In the back, it's in good condition. Just got a little staining. I don't know if that was from just people sweating back here, or whoever owned it before had some boxes or something, but there's just a little bit of staining there. Nice big cargo area. Some wear and tear on the carpet there. So if it were me, I'd probably just get some seat covers made that are cloth that look cool, and that's the only thing is the staining on the seats. As far as the inside, everything else is good. I'll pop the hood open for you. Pardon me while I get the kickstand up. Engine runs good. I drove it myself.